Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can restore your old photos using AI. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that you can see this interface on my screen, that is restorephotos.io. I'm going to put the link for this in my description box and you can easily access it for free from there. Now let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So you can use this software to restore any face photo that was very old and you want to restore it and generate it into a new photo. So first of all, you can see there's this prompt box that says upload an image. You have to upload your image over here. For that, I'm going to click this button and then come back after I upload my image. You have 5 generations for 1 hour, and after that it gets renewed. Now you can see that I uploaded this image and it was an old photo, and when it is restored you can see how crisp it is and how renewed and restored the photo looks. So this is a software that you can use to restore your old photos, and this is a simple process. You can only use this one step to restore your old photos and make them into new photos. Now if you liked this video and understood the process, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.